Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about continuity. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, if we want to test about continuity, we can use about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So the limit on the left, that is about s approach to number 1 on the left. So we have 1 with the negative sign in here. So that means s smaller than number 1. So we can put about s square in here. And now we can put number 1 cone here. And we have 1. Now we need to put about the limit on the right. So s approach to number 1 with the positive. That means s is greater than or equals to number 1. So we select this one. And we put number 1 go for s. And we can see that number 1 and 1 over 2, they are not the same. So that means in this situation, that's about discontinuity. So that is not continuous at s equals to number 1 because on the left and on the right they are not the same. This is the end. Thank you for watching.